In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to itemized deductions on TurboTax. If TurboTax is currently using the standard deduction and you want to switch over to itemized deductions, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the platform so you can make the change smoothly and confirm your selection. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your TurboTax return and looking at the main tax workspace. From there, go to the Federal section. This is where TurboTax groups the main areas of your federal tax return, including income, deductions, and credits. Once you're in Federal, move your cursor over Deductions and Credits. You may see this appear as a menu option in the navigation area. Hovering there helps you access the section where TurboTax summarizes the deduction choices connected to your return. Next, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This page gives you an overview of the deduction-related information in your return and is the place where you can review what TurboTax is currently applying. If you've already entered deduction details earlier, this summary helps tie everything together before you make a change. After that, click Continue. This moves you forward to the next screen in the deduction review flow. If TurboTax has already calculated a deduction choice for you, this is usually where you'll start seeing the option to adjust it. On the next screen, click Change My Deduction. This is the key option that allows you to override the current deduction method and choose the one you want TurboTax to use. It's helpful if you've decided that itemizing may be more beneficial based on your tax situation. Then, select Itemized Deductions. By choosing this option, you're telling TurboTax that you want your return to use itemized deductions instead of the standard deduction. This can be useful if your deductible expenses add up to more than the standard amount, although TurboTax will generally help reflect the impact of your choice within your return. Finally, click Continue to confirm and move forward. At this point, TurboTax will proceed using itemized deductions for your return based on the information you've entered. As a quick tip, after making the switch, it's a good idea to review your deductions carefully to make sure all eligible expenses have been entered correctly. That way, your itemized total is as accurate as possible before you file. And that's how to change to itemized deductions on TurboTax.